I have no idea
I'm
where
the
the
jump master.
champions.
Don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Well, you know where champions drop.
Remember, eyes on the pro. My luck will find something good here.
Yep. Oh my gosh. There's 100 people here already.
Frag grenade set. Frag grenade set. Throwing up. Shots fired at me. Battling the enemy.
You're not with us?
Reloading. Down hostile. Down, but alive.
Wait, what? How did you get me?
Taking fire. My vision is clear. Something down.
Hiding, Jordan.
My vision is clear. Reloading. Last one down. You are fortunate we are on the same team.
Unknown.
Healing.
Get shot. That kills the end of that entire squad. I am the kill leader. Predictable, perhaps, yet still admirable.
Scanning the
We're
area.
leaving?
In combat. I downed a hostile.
Oh. Duck.
Administering
Are you
medical
able to
aid.
duck? I'll be in.
I am taking fire.
Nice. My question is, why did everybody drop there?
Triple take here. I gotta hop up here. Joke.
It sounds like they didn't like that place it very much either.
Gotta hop up here. Hammer point.
Hey Jordan, I'm bringing you something. Okay. No. It's a this.
Shields are recharging.
Shield battery here.
Okay. I'll take the small ones for now.
Gotta hop up here. Hammer point.
Progress.
We find ourselves inside the next ring. How serendipitous.
Yeah, I know. Because it wasn't like a Pathfinder or anything.
Care package being delivered. Care package on the way.
Did you
I
guys
like the
want to
sound
move
of
on
that.
with for health for Craig? Over here, like, ooh. Is that
Something
you?
new will grow here in the hollows the giants left.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting a Terry test fire from you. What? Well, let's go say
Allfather,
hi.
give me sight.
Recharging my shield.
Optics here. Sniper.
Mobile respawn beacon here.
No. I have one. Alright, Terry, what are your plans for this week? Oh, he fell asleep. He fell asleep. Oh!
Triple take here.
What are your plans for this week? Celebrating the country and all?
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader. Optics here. Close range.
So you have alley plans for Greg? Oh, I was gonna say staying up all night playing Apex and then going to work. This box over here.
Bless me with sight.
Probably Jordan. Well, it depends on what. It depends on what. It's pea water. I hear that. Somebody's ziplined across.
Marking our surroundings.
That's what Dalton says.
Subject spotted. There.
Are they in that tunnel thing?
Spotted a subject right here.
Scanning the edge.
Taking fire.
Hey, you guys wanna go over
Come with
that
me
way?
over here.
Oh, there's a team over there
Enemy
too.
there.
Oh gosh. You guys wanna zip line across? You wanna zip line across, guys?
Zipline here.
Getting shot at. Recharging shields.
Let's explore this way.
Yeah.
Allfather, give me sight.
Another variable.
Well, it's
for the
like
lab rats.
we haven't even found any
Gas
like
truck deployed.
health. I'm good on shields. I have 7.
Introducing
Health
a
up
new
here.
variable.
Hey, Greg.
Shotgun ammo here. Syringe here.
Shields are recharging.
Taking a moment to heal.
I'll take one of these so you can have the other.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Administering medical aid.
Oh, here, Greg.
Shield cell here.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields. Taking a moment to heal.
Ron can't afford bourbon.
Allfather,
This. I am. Well, actually. Oh, I did. I hit one for 58. Yeah, let's go.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
I thought
We're
you were about to
already
say, I don't think
inside the
Greg's
next
ever had
ring.
the high ground.
There
I'm
better
like,
be
what?
some good loot around here.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Actually, well,
package on
actually,
high.
technically Greg and I both had chocolate wine, so. Actually, no, it wasn't.
We should conduct a search right here. Gas trap deployed.
It was mostly wine because it didn't taste anything like chocolate.
Marking our surroundings.
Independent variable added.
How are we gonna do this then?
Battling the
You have
enemy.
eyes on them?
Recharging my shields.
What? The killers.
Grenade. Scanning the area. I'm taking fire.
Reloading. Recharging shields.
Mobile respawn being here.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, he left a medkit. That ain't no medkit.
There's another squad. They're attacking.
Are you able to get in here with that scare? This way?
Quick, here.
Alright, where are we going then?
Let's move to this sector.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Are they there?
Marking our surroundings.
Probably, I don't know. I don't talk to him that much anymore. He should probably have like sketchy stuff too.
Anyone up for some shopping?
That'd be beautiful.
My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine.
Yeah. Oh, that was.
Warning. Movement in progress.
We're already in the next ring. Good. More time to loot.
Care package on high. Favor from the gods. Marking our surroundings.
I don't think that. Yeah, I don't think anybody will come down there.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Spotted one. We should conduct a search right here.
Oh, somebody's right over by me, guys. Yeah. It's an octane. Above me.
In combat.
Jump drive activated.
That was the last. Reloading. Lay down me.
Throwing thermite grenade.
It's your lucky day. I got you.
Thermite grenade set. Calling. I am taking fire.
Reloading.
So there's more people over here.
Here.
My wounds.
I am taking fire.
With only 2 enemy squads left, the probability of victory rises.
I downed a hostile. I have fallen.
Oh,
Attention.
Making contact with enemy.
Eliminated.
Jordan.
Welcome to the shop. I got just the thing for you. The kill leader tried to take what's ours. They should have known better. Lost one. My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine. Remember who hooked you up? I've got your back.
Set and waiting. Grenade.
Thermite out.
Oh, there, my logo thing. Over here. Wait, what? Oh, they have a mobile.
Throwing thermite. Tossing thermite.
Oh gosh, Jordan.
Delivering frag.
We've got 30 seconds to be somewhere else if you want to.
Searching this area. Throwing frag. Taking fire.
No. Oh.
We're close to the ring. 10 seconds.
Jump drive in position.
Adding another gas trap. Another variable to the lab rats. A second squad is firing at us. We are inside the next ring. A net positive result. Gas cloud deployed. I still see everything. My vision is clear. I still see everything. Firing. Something down.
Enemy
Taking fire.
healing.
Target spotted.
One more squad.